Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. Today, we're taking a closer look at the COSMO COS-5MU36 under cabinet range hood. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about design. The COS-5MU36 boasts a sleek stainless steel construction that adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. Its slim profile fits snugly under most cabinets, making it perfect for condos and apartments where space is at a premium. Now, let's talk functionality.
This range hood comes equipped with a 3-speed motor, allowing you to adjust the ventilation to suit your cooking needs. And the best part? It operates at a noise level as low as 50 decibels on the lowest fan speed, ensuring a quiet kitchen environment. The COS-5MU36 features durable reusable aluminum mesh filters that effectively trap grease and oil, keeping your kitchen clean and smelling fresh.
Plus, they're easy to clean, saving you the hassle of constantly replacing disposable filters.
Installation is a breeze with the COS-5MU36.
Whether you're venting it through the top or back, or converting it to ductless with the carbon filter kit,
this range hood comes with everything you need for a convenient setup.
And let's not forget about visibility.
Built-in LED lighting ensures that you have ample illumination over your stove, even during those late-night cooking sessions.
In conclusion, the COSMO COS-5MU36 under cabinet range hood offers the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience, all at an affordable price.
Whether you're whipping up a quick meal or hosting a dinner party, this range hood has got you covered.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy cooking!